So Bellevue College, as the name indicates, located in the city of Bellevue, which is about 30 minutes away from Seattle, and we are located in Washington State. Bellevue is the headquarters where big companies such as Microsoft, T-Mobile, and Expedia, they have their headquarters in Bellevue. And Bellevue College is a public college, and it's the largest public college in Washington State. So we currently have about 18,000 students together, international and domestic, 900 international students coming from 64 different countries. Bellevue College is also considered as the number 11 associate degree in US, hosting international students, and number 1 in Washington State. We also offer, a lot of our students can benefit with the high university transfer rate when they study at Bellevue College. 66% of students from Bellevue transfer to University of Washington every year. So we are in 5 years in a row, we're number 1 transferring school to University of Washington, Seattle. Another one is also that we, based on the Georgetown report in 2022, we are considered to be a top 10-year return of investment for degree granting college in Washington State. We also have small classes at Bellevue, about 21 students per class. We offer about over 50 programs that international students can choose. Programs such as International High School Completion, Transfer Associate Degree, certificate programs, and also Bachelor. We offer that at Bellevue College. We also offer on-campus housing, so students don't need to worry about finding their own accommodation. They can apply to be on campus. We also have a dedicated staff to help international students during their academic journey when they're studying at Bellevue College. So for Korean students specifically, when they're applying to Bellevue College, I see the trends that they are mostly applying to associate transfer degree in business or engineering, or if they want to continue at Bellevue College, usually they pursue the computer science program and also cybersecurity. For the past years that I noticed, most of Korean students successfully transfer to University of Washington, Seattle, Bothell, Purdue, a few UC schools, University of California schools, Georgia Tech, New York University, University of South Carolina. Those are the among that I can remember right now that our international students from Korea have successfully transferred to. So for us to help international students successfully transfer to universities, we have a dedicated staff, especially we encourage students to work closely with their advisors. We also host twice a year what we call University Transfer Fair. And that's specifically only for international students. During that fairs, we invite schools from all over the US. Sometimes we have up to 50 schools coming to Bellevue College to meet with international students. So students, if they have questions about admissions, they can ask directly with the representative. And our advisors also host what we call transfer workshop every quarter. So like, for example, how to prepare for the personal statement, for example, or how to navigate the university's website, things like that. International students at Bellevue will transfer to University of Washington. And then the second group would be transferring to UC schools or University of California schools. Might be Berkeley, Riverside, Santa Barbara, Los Angeles, and so on. And the third group will be transferring to other further states, for example, Georgia Tech or Purdue and such. So is it possible? Yes. The key is I strongly recommend you to work closely with your advisors, and advisors typically will ask students to meet with them at least once a quarter. So please do come to your appointment so the advisor can monitor your progress or not progress during your study. And also because the UC schools typically their application deadline is a quarter prior to if you want to apply to University of Washington. So we want to make sure that you already have all your classes or necessary credits to be able to transfer to University of California schools. On the fourth quarter is usually when you already need to be prepared with your applications to University of California. So it's doable, but it's not easy. So you need to work hard and especially work closely with your advisors. So study abroad is a privilege. What I would recommend students is when you come to the US and study at Bellevue College, please use the best of your time. So it is very important for you to be able to manage your time because you're not going to have your parents telling you what to do. So managing your time is very important. And then there are a lot of resources on campus. So we have many resources on campus. For example, tutoring center. It's free, everybody can use it, counseling services, and even important clubs. For example, DECA Club, if you're interested in business, that's a good club for you to join. Mock UN, also a good program. And we also offer like conferences, so don't be shy to participate in those conferences because you're not only meeting the local students, but also you will get a chance to meet students from other colleges as well. And then we also have a strong sports team under the NWACA, so not just to study all the time, but try to be involved in clubs, honing your leadership skills. And so yeah, I wish you all success.